Let's move on to types of syndication. Syndication can be divided into four types like best effort, club deals, firm commitment or underwritten deal, and fourth one domestic and international syndication or loans. First, let's look at this best effort. This is a type of syndication where there will be no undertaking by syndicator. I mean, syndicator will not give any undertaking that he will arrange for the full loan. He is going to offer only what can be sold. It means there is no compulsion on the syndicator side to arrange all the funds, and this kind of syndication is generally used in United States. So here there is no commitment or guarantee for entire loan, and if at all there is going to be any unsubscribed portion, okay, either the borrower is going to accept that lower portion or he is going to cancel the entire syndication. Okay, this is number one. Number two is club deals. See here, a limited group of banks and financial institutions will participate in syndication without lead managers. So it is also called as private placement, and this kind of syndication works generally for small amount. And if you look at the main feature of this kind of a syndication, here the lead agent and other members will be sharing equally or nearly equally the fees that are earned from the loan. Okay, the third type is firm commitment or underwritten deal. Here the lead manager will undertake to provide the full amount. So the borrower is going to get the full amount because there is a guarantee from the lead manager, and for giving this kind of a guarantee or for giving this kind of undertaking, lead manager will charge undertaking fee, and this kind of syndication is widely used in Europe. Okay, here the lead agent or lead underwriter is going to guarantee entire loan. So what happens if the loan is not fully subscribed? Then the underwriter will absorb the unsubscribed portion. Okay, so the borrower is going to get the full amount anyhow, and if market is found as bullish, then this underwriter will sell the unsubscribed portion which was absorbed by him to other investors. Okay, let me repeat. If the market is bullish, then the underwriter who have absorbed the unsubscribed portion will sell them to other investors. But if the market is bearish, then what is the option? He can sell the absorbed unsubscribed portion at discount, or no other go, he should consider it as loss only. But still banks go for underwriting deal because it has certain advantages. Number one, it will make financial institution to look more competitive. Number two, this is going to increase the profits for the bank because the risk is reduced, it got diversified. And number three, it has a floating rate of interest, so the risk attached to fixed rate of interest is avoided here. Okay, right. Then fourth, we have domestic and international loan syndication. Legally these are all not distinguishable. Okay, but the one distinguishing factor can be like this. In case of domestic syndication, the currency is going to be borrower country's currency or home currency, we can say, whereas in international syndication the currency is going to be other than the borrower's country currency.
On this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.